Chrome with the brand new tool. Pabbly Connect web flipper, now that's the jewel. Select any text and I'm feeling real cool. Sending data to my sheets, making moves like a mule. Got my workflow tight, automation's the key. From fact to WhatsApp, I set it up with Glee. Right click and send, yeah, it's so easy. Also, Pabbly's got my back, no need to feel queasy. Pabbly Connect web flipper, yeah, it's lit. Automating all my tasks, I won't quit. From to the cloud, everything's a fit. Pabbly in my corner, I'm legit asleep. Hit the Chrome store, download, let's go. Add that extension, now I'm in the flow. Manage webhooks, set the URL into. Trigger events, watch the data grow. From Facebook groups to blogs, I see it. Just select the text and it's history. Google Sheets is waiting, it's all so free. Pabbly Connect, making life so breezy. Pabbly Connect web clipper, yeah, it's lit. Automating all my tasks, I won't quit. From to the cloud, everything's a fit. Pabbly in my corner, I'm legit asleep. Date and time, URLs all in line. Map it all out, everything's fine. No more copying, pasting, wasting my grind. Pabbly's got my back, it's automation time. Pabbly Connect web clipper, yeah, it's lit. Automating all my tasks, I won't quit. From to the cloud, everything's a fit. Pabbly in my corner, I'm legit asleep.